All right, good morning, class. So I want to start us off on our daily math, week 13, day 3. So at this point, I would like you to pause the video if you have not already solved these out. Go through, do the best that you can on these. Spend about 5, maybe up to 10 minutes solving through these problems, and then go ahead and play the video from here, and I will be solving these out. I am not looking for you just to copy down what I'm doing. I want you to try your strategy first and then try my strategy, all right? Or look at my strategy. So here we go. We have a 232 times 4, so 3-digit times a 1-digit, and we are going to break this up into expanded form. So it's 200 plus 30 plus 2. Now I'm going to use the area model here. Remember, you put a 4 on the side, so this turns into 4 times 200, 4 times 30, and 4 times 2. Now remember, I like to hide my zeros, so this turns into 4 times 2. And so I'm thinking, what is 4 times 2? Well, 4 times 2 is 8, so I'm going to write 4 times 2 is 8. That gives me my single-digit multiplication. And I'm going to put my partial product starting writing down here. But how many zeros did I hide? In the beginning, I hid 2 zeros. So it's 8 with 2 zeros, or 800 is my partial product there. This one, my single-digit multiplication is 4 times 3. So I'm going to write down 4 times 3, and that is 12. So I'm going to put 12 down here, and I'm going to think, well, how many zeros did I hide? I hid 1 0, so I put 1 0 after the 12, turning that into 120 is my partial product there. And then 4 times 2, well, that's 8. And that's my third partial product. Now I add them up, and I combine them. So I have 800, 120, and 8. So if I add them, I combine them. 0 and 0 and 8 sums to 8. 0 and 2 sums to 2. And 8 and 1 sums to 9. So I have 928 is my product. Our second problem, we want to just make sure we line these up by place value and add them up. So I have 183,982. And the 8 is in the 10,000s place value, same as this 8. So it's 81,294. And then we're just going to combine them and add them up. So 2 plus 4 is 6. And 8 plus 9 is 17. Regroup that 10. 7 here and the 10 up here. 1 and 9 is 10, plus 2 is 12. So I put the 2 from the 12 here, and the 1 from the 10s up here. So 1 and 3 is 4, plus 1 is 5. I have an 8 plus 8 is 16. 6 goes here, and I regroup that 10 up here in the 100,000s, and this turns into 265,276. Third problem, write the number in word form as a regular number. So I need to look at where is my thousands period, and it's right here. What is the number? 17. 17,000. So I put a comma. Then I have 433. So 433. Well, I can just put this in here since this is my ones period. And I have 17,433. Now we're going to look at this as an equation. I have 7 packages of cards. Each package, this is going to tell me this is groups of, had 9 cards. So I have 7 groups of 9. But that's not an equation. This is just helping us to see, here's our keyword, right? That's telling us we need to do groups of. But groups of really means multiplication. So now we've got 7 times 9 equals 63. And if you've been practicing your multiplication flashcards, such as these, you're getting more and more fluent every day. I recommend you work on these at home. Go through your stack at least one time today. And here's our equation, so this is our answer. All right. So great. If you want to go over those strategies again, go ahead and play the video a second time or that problem so that you can go over it again.